What's going on, everybody? Today is a very, very, very good day because we're taking the motor out to Chips Motorsports, which means only got about a month and a half till the 8's back. No idea how excited I am for this. Like, this has been, I keep saying it over and over and over. This has been like months in the making. Like, months in the making. So, it's going to be really good to have this car back because holy shit, do I miss it. Today, when we get back, I'm going to be stripping all this down, getting it ready for paint, but we got to strap this guy in here, strap it to the pallet, strap it to the bed. We're in the old Silverado again. Strangely smells like oil in here. Strangely almost didn't start. But you know, it is what it is. Also, I got new lug nuts. If you guys remember when I was changing out the brakes, that the lug nuts just didn't want to come off. So we got new ones now, which is nice. I'm going to check the oil on this thing, because last time I drove it to get the tires for the XJ. If you haven't watched the series on the XJ, what are you doing? What are you doing, bro? Just go to my channel. There's a playlist called Project Junker Season 1, and it's videos about the XJ. But anyways, I took this thing to go get the tires for that, and it ran out of oil. I didn't check it before I got in, which you don't think to do on a non-rotary car, but I ran out of oil. So we're going to check it today. So if we need some, I'm going to go pick it up so that we're not stressing this thing out. Alright guys, so as you can see, we're all set up and ready to go. So we're going to hit the road. Got to stop at the bank on the way, but other than that, straight shot to Chips Motorsports. Guys, so we just dropped off the Rx8 motor to Chip. So he said it should be apart by Monday. He'll have some updates for me, and as soon as I get those updates, you guys are going to get them as well. But from what it sounds like, I'm going to need new housings. Obviously the uprights are going to need resurfaced, which I knew. I didn't know I was going to need new housings, but if I do, I do, and I'm going to have literally a brand new motor. So I am looking forward to it. As much as that down payment hurt, I'm looking forward to having my car back. I'll catch you guys back at the house. We're going to start working on this empty Rx8. You know, I've gone in and out of the house like a million times today trying to get ready for this video. Like, just like grabbing towels and my degreaser and all my stuff. And I forget the most important part, which is my tools. I don't even know, but we're gonna go get my tools. I just got a notification that one of my packages delivered. So we are gonna head out to the mailbox, which is like all the way down there. We got sad boy stickers. Oh yeah. Kind of thinking I want to leave the engine bay silver. It looks really, really good. Cleaned up. Like, really, really good. So I'm thinking I'm going to leave it silver for now. And then in the summer when the weather is better, I'll paint it. But now we are going to put the shift knob on. Also, I still don't have a radio. So this shift knob is so sick. Like, look at that thing. Like, come on now. It looks absolutely killer in there. Come on. There we go. That thing's sweet. So actually now what we have to do, this is the only gold thing in the entire interior, but not for long. So this is going to get wrapped, as is that side over there. We're going to try and wrap all the silver bits gold. So the interior is going to be black and gold, and the exterior is going to be silver. We'll have a little bit of gold accents, and then obviously the black accents. So the gas cap, obviously the 5% tint on the back window is definitely very black. The tint on the tail lights, more of a smoke, but again, pretty black. The emblem's black. So hopefully I'm gonna tie it all together. I feel like it'll be a good look for this thing. Actually gonna put this hood on now though. The weather is supposed to get really, really crappy the next few days. Probably pack up this tent or secure it down, one or the other. I do have a lot of stuff sitting under it, so we'll see what happens with that. But for now, let's get this hood on. The hood is on. We have a nice clean gap all the way around right here. And something happened over here. As you can see, it's not like that, but if I push down on it, that gap goes to what it is on the other side. But if you look closely, you can see, let's see if I can get this to focus. Right there is a little dent. And that's actually where the screw goes. And it may have been like this before, and I may not have noticed, but now I have this ugly gap on that side, and it really bothers me. So I actually want to get a new hood here in the future. So who knows? But this thing's pretty filthy. I can't wait to get it. I can't wait to get this thing back out on the road. I cannot wait. But it is getting colder out here, and I'm just trying to kind of putz along on the actual car itself. But as far as like cleaning up parts and stuff like that, I'm actually going to go inside right now. I want to clean up everything before it goes back in the car, so that when it's done and complete, everything's clean, looks nice. That's why I did the engine bay. I did the engine bay because I want to paint it, but I also did the engine bay because it looks nice, clean. So that's actually going to do it for me for working on the car today. But now I'm going to head up, go inside, get some other work done.